Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to transfer data from your old smartphone to your REALME GT8 Pro. First of all, you're gonna have to find the application called Clone Phone either in your apps menu right here or in the tools section on your home screen. Then you're gonna have to select this is the new device on your REALME. Tap allow and give this application all the permissions. Then you're gonna have to select the old device operational system type. So if it's an Oppo or REALME or a OnePlus smartphone, then you're gonna have to go with the first option. If it's a different Android smartphone, then select other Android. If it's an iPhone, select Apple. In my case, it's Google Pixel, so I'm gonna go with other Androids. And then we're gonna have to scan the QR code using the smartphone's camera. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna have to download the Oppo Clone phone application manually. To do that, open the Google Play Store and then search for Oppo Clone phone app. Here it is. Let's install this application. And then let's open it and give it all the permissions after we scan the QR code. So to scan the QR code, tap scan QR code and then give the app a permission to use your camera. And then scan the QR code on your REALME using your older device. Tap deauthorize. Give the application a permission to use your location. Then the floating window permission. To do this, you're gonna have to find your device in here and switch this toggle to the right. Okay. Then we're gonna have to connect to our device. And then select the data that we want to send to our REALME. So let's select all the data we'll have right here, except for the apps. And then tap next, then give this application a permission to use all files on your smartphone. Then go back to the app, tap next, and then let's give it all the additional permissions. And then wait until the data is prepared. And after that, send the data by tapping next. Once again, we're gonna have to give this application one additional permission, and then tap I understand the content on this page, and tap start migration, and wait until all the files are both sent and received. Okay, and so as you can see, the transfer is complete. And we have received all the data on our REALME smartphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.